If you have dark circles from a very long time and they are not reducing even if you have done everything, then don't worry, you are gonna remove it now with the help of these 5 remedies with just one main ingredient, and that is potato. This video will show you how you can use potato in different ways to reduce dark circles. So the first remedy or first way to use potato is this. Take a potato, wash it and peel off the skin. Then cut in cubes and grind it. When it becomes paste, take 1 tablespoon of this paste and add half teaspoon of turmeric in it. Along with that, add 3 drops of almond oil in it and mix it well. Now wash off your face so that your skin has no germs left on it, and apply this mixture to your dark circles, but keep in mind, it don't go inside of your eyes. Leave the paste on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes and relax. Remove it with tissue and wash it. Use this remedy for 1 week at least. You will start to see the results in 1 week. These all ingredients are very helpful in reducing dark circles and puffiness around your eyes. Let's move toward the next remedy, the second one. This one is my favorite and I used to apply these on daily basis too. Just as the above one, you have to cut and grind potato to make it into paste. Then extract potato water from it with the help of strainer or any net cloth. Then take a cucumber and also made juice out of it the same way we did it with potato. Now mix both of them and add 1 capsule of vitamin E and 2 tablespoons of rose water in it. And mix well. After mixing well, pour it in ice cube tray and freeze it. Use 1 potato cucumber ice cube daily on dark circles. Massage the ice cube on dark circles daily. Leave it for 15 minutes and then rinse off. You can also store it for 5 days. You will see miracle in your dark circles. You will see results in 5 days. What you have to do is just make yourself strict with these remedies. When you do it daily, your hard work will be productive. And before going to next remedy, just press the subscribe button, and I wish your dark circles will be removed from your life with all the other worries. So the next one potato remedy we have is just so simple and it is effective too. This is for those people who don't have time to do above remedies. In this remedy, just extract the potato juice with the same method I told you before, and with the help of cotton or hand you can apply it on your dark circles before sleeping and rinse it in morning. Do make sure to use fresh potato juice for better results. Or if you don't have this much time, then just take a potato, wash it well and cut it into pieces and scrub the potato piece on dark circles for 15 to 20 minutes. Leave it all night and rinse off in morning. Before moving to the next video, if you want to know why you have dark circles, then check out this link which shows many causes of dark circles. Must watch it after watching this video. Okay, the next remedy we have is the fourth one is this. Take half tablespoon of potato paste I told you above how to make it and add half teaspoon of aloe vera gel in it. Then add 1/4 part of tablespoon of Vaseline in it with 2 drops of vitamin E capsule. Mix the ingredients well and massage it on your eyes for 7 to 10 minutes and leave for 10 minutes. Then remove it with tissue and leave the remaining extract on your eyes for 30 minutes. Wash out with cold water after 30 minutes. This remedy is also the best one. Must use it if you want to remove permanently dark circles from your life. Okay, the last one we have is potato toner. For this remedy, we need 1 small cup of potato extract juice and 2 tablespoons of rose water in it. And add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and mix all the ingredients well. Pour it in a spray bottle and use it as we use rose water. But keep sure to close your eyes before spraying on eyes. Or you can use cotton pads to apply on dark circles. So guys, these are the potato remedies we can use to remove dark circles. I hope you liked my video, and if you liked it, do subscribe and press bell icon for further informative videos.